Hello, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. And nowadays, Ramadan in Indonesia has been confirmed by government on Thursday or 19 February. And at first, I didn't know meaning of Ramadan for a lot. So I tried to have a look through my internet and try to make a note on my book. And I also try to uh, describe it or make a note for it. And in fact, Ramadan is special month for Muslim. So during Ramadan, Muslim fast and to become more patient, grateful, and lost closer to God. And then I also have a look to my friends' activity during Ramadan. He don't get a food, get a drink during 12 hours. Wow, so I impressed with him. And in fact, I came across the rule of Ramadan's time because in fasting, no eating, no drinking, no smoking, or even in Ramadan, try to cut off the bad activity, the bad habit. Yeah, reduce it. Yeah, sounds like that. I have a look to my coworkers. He got a fasting as well, and wow, bro, you were so very great. I so impressed with you. Yeah, because you are holding during 12 hours, no eat, no food, no drink, and nobody happened with you. So if I, as you, even in 12 hours, I would be take my food in 6 hours. Yeah, I'm so very hungry. Maybe I'm so very thirsty because I haven't tried to take fasting as well, and so that's because I'm not trained for that. And you know, guys, you also know about this one. If you were Muslim, you also know about that. I take I took my friends to a little discuss and I refills my curiosity, how I see them. I so impressed with them really. So very impressed. And bro, did you feel hard on your stomachs? So did you feel something different in your mind, in your body, because you haven't your lunch, even you're not take your drink as well. And you know, guys, my friends reply to my questions, my curiosity. Yes, bro. So I have a faith. We are so glad to do that. Even even we don't take food for 12 hours, but Ramadan is such a beautiful, is such a wonderful time because we got grateful, we closer to the God, and so that's why we so that's why we so interested with that, and my friends reply to that, and then okay, I uh I look down to the table. I look down at the table, and then shaking my my head because I don't know, like so that's my curiosity to my friends fasting, and tomorrow I will be curiosity as well, how they stay present with their faith, with their promise to their God as well. So I'm waiting for them as well. Thank you guys.